I'm Sam Zion, also known as Sam the Cooking Guy. I'm here to tell you why I'm absolutely 100% in love with my Evo. But first, just so you know that I come with some amount of credential, let me tell you quickly about me. I've been cooking on TV for, 17 years. I've shot probably somewhere over 350 hours of television. I had a series on Discovery's Health Channel. I have 3 cookbooks. I've been on the Today Show a dozen times. One of those times in particular, I asked Kathy Lee Gifford and Hoda Kotb to stop talking in the middle of my segment.
We're making a tuna.
We're
making a tuna.
Tuna's the second thing we have in our house.
Can I talk? I watch the show every day. Everybody has issues with a lot of chatter back here. Pay attention 1 minute.
A moment that has now been watched more than 1.5 million times on YouTube. In fact, Howard Stern interviewed me about that. But that's not important. And it's definitely not bragging. It's just context. What is important is why I love my Evo. And I could tell you, but I think I'd rather show you because it does so many things. It's perfect for steaks, burgers, sandwiches. You can stir fry on it. You can make breakfast on it. You can make lunch on it. You can make dinner on it. Garlic bread, burritos, quesadillas, chicken. And it's not just good for direct contact. It's perfect to put a pot on of a soup, of a sauce, of a marinade, to warm something up, to keep something warm. And with its 2 separately switched burners, one in the middle and one around the outside, the possibilities for heat combinations are absolutely endless. I tell people, if you're building your backyard out right now, you must have an Evo. Not just because of the flexibility, not just because of the range of things that you can do, not just because of the options of food that you can cook on it, but because of the social aspect. There's not a person that walks into my backyard that doesn't say, holy f***. Oop, my bad. There's not a person that comes in the backyard that doesn't say, oh my goodness, what is that? Can I use it? Yes, you can, I say. It's the social aspect that makes it so amazing. Of course, mine is in the island, but the wheeled cart version lets people stand around, cook their own skewers, their own shrimp, whatever they want. It's fun. This is the future.